Hey guys, let's see today how to undo send or recall a sent email in the Apple Mail app on your latest iOS version. Yeah, because what happened guys, if you go to that Apple Mail, that app, and now from here what happened if you want to send to someone, and sometimes what happen you might send an email and quickly want to recall it because you forgot to add the attachment. Yeah, it could be some typo mistake, yeah, whatever the reasons guys, but I wanted to recall all the sent email before it reaches the recipient's inbox. Yeah, so it's very simple guys, so just let's see how you can do that. Yeah, so just go to settings. Yeah, you can see over the go to settings, just tap on it, and now guys, yeah, from here just try to find mail app. Just, yeah, you can see over here the mail app, just tap on it, and now guys just try to come bottom. Yeah, and you can just see here sending undo send delay. So sometime what happened in your case, it that selected this option undo send delay, it is off. So if it is selected off, then you don't have any option to undo, because once you hit that send arrow button, then automatically the mail will be sent to the recipients, and you don't have any privilege to recall that sent email. But if you select the particular time, let's 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, let's example I wanted to select 30 seconds. So if you select 30 seconds, so iPhone will give you the 30 seconds time to you after send you can recall within 30 seconds. Yeah, so let's see, so you can just see here. So let's example, let's just yeah, go to the mail. Yeah, and now guys from here, yeah, let's example I wanted to send someone. Yeah, just I wanted to send and subject yeah, check out. Yeah, let's example if I wanted to send that email to, yeah, whatever that email is correct, yeah, wrong, let hit, yeah, okay, no problem. See, so in the bottom automatically it will come undo send. So guys, immediately you have just go and just tap on it, because that iPhone they given you 30 seconds. So within 30 seconds, yeah, you have that privilege. So now you can just correct that one, you can provide that correct email. Yeah, you can forget to attach that attachment, yeah, some typo mistake, any grammatical mistake. So that's guys, before 30 seconds you have the privilege, so which you can correct, and again you have sent to the proper recipients guys. So guys, this way you can achieve that one. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.